Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Engineer Reagan. Today, please join me as I solve another mathematical problem for you. And today I'm going to solve for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so based on the figure given on the screen, we actually have an equilateral triangle of which its sides are represented by an algebraic expression. So what I'm going to do is I'll equate the sides. Okay, the reason I can equate these two sides of the equilateral triangle because according to the definition of an equilateral triangle, all of its sides are equal. And then right after that, I'll just have to simplify. So what I'll do is, okay, I'll transpose the x and y to the other side and then further simplify. The resulting equation is 2 is equals to x minus y, or in other words, x minus y equals to 2. Okay? Next one is, again, I'll equate another two sides of the equilateral triangle equals to 2x. And just as what we did with the first one, just have to further simplify. 2x minus 3y, or again, 2x minus 3y equals to 1. So now we already have two equations. Right after that, we will use these two equations to solve for the unknowns, to solve for the values of x or the y. So let's combine the two equations. X minus y equals to 2, our first equation, and then second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 1. Okay, what I'm going to do to solve for the variable is I'll do the elimination method. So what I'll do now is I will multiply both sides of the first equation by 2, because in this case I want to eliminate the variable x, so I'll be able to solve for y. So that becomes now 2x minus 2y equals to 4, right? And then 2x minus 3y equals to 1. So this time, we can already eliminate the x. And then I'll subtract the two equations. Then this one cancels out, the x cancels out. All I have left is negative 2y minus negative 3y, right? And that's what y is equals to. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I have already solved for y. Now that I already have the value of y, what I'll do is I'll just substitute this value of y to the algebraic expression representing the side of the variable, which is that one. So if I will have to solve for the side of the variable, the equilateral triangle, that becomes now 3 times 3 plus 1. So the side now becomes 10. Do you agree? And then to solve for the perimeter, the perimeter of a triangle is expressed into 3 times its sides. Okay, what are the side of the triangle? That's 10. So that becomes now 30. Meaning the perimeter of this particular equilateral triangle is 30. Okay, guys, so I hope I was able to make it easier for you. And I guess that's all for today. Again, this is Engineer Reagan. Bye.